got thrown in this cat prison. Why do I have to be here? Are you my new inmate? Okay. Yeah, guys, I got the camera, but I think I got a new inmate. So, I guess we're just stuck here now. Do you want to try to escape?
Yes.
Guys, he wants to escape. Say it again.
Yes, I do.
Okay. We got a bedroom and it's like very messy and stuff. We got jelly for some reason.
We have an Xbox for some reason.
Okay, now we just have to sneak through the dark. So, you ready?
Yeah. The light just turned off.
Okay.
Can't get seen by the cat. I was in that place for 2 years.
I can't even see your face.
Yes, I was in there for 2 years. God, I wouldn't escape it.
Be quiet. Okay, so guys, right now we're just guys, stay back. Stay.
Now run. Go.
I fell, guys.
Get out.
I think we might have escaped him. No, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, guys. Guys, look at this. I'll be a distraction. Okay, yeah, you be a distraction. He's distracting. This is my chance. I need the hitting. Wait, I know where the hitting key is. Take it out of this place. Okay, I got it. Guys, I think we just got out. It is nighttime outside, but we just escaped the cat prison, guys.
We got trapped out.
What? We're trapped out?
Yes. We're trapped out. No.
But we're meaning to go. Wait, we don't want to go back in.
No, all of our stuff. We forgot to get it.
Um.
Can't survive.
Well, guys, I think this is it for this video because
The lights just turned off.
the light just turned off. That was not part of the plan. We're scared. Guys, I think we might have to continue this. Oh, look at that moon. I don't know if you guys can see this, but like right.
It's behind the clouds now. Never mind.
It's
that
like
full moon?
right there.
If it's a full moon, we're dead.
Guys, if this is a full moon, we are dead. Is it a half moon?
Half moon.
Half moon.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Wait, it's still behind the cloud. Guys, it just started shining brighter. The moon.
Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.
Guys, we're gonna have to continue this in part 5. So
Bye.
I mean,
We have to try
is
to
this
find
part 4?
shelter.
Yeah, this is part 4. So guys, see you in
Bye.
the next
Help
video.
us.
So, peace on earth. Out.